And look at this addition. We have a San Damiano cross to the back of the wall, so we don't have to worry about projecting it anymore. And we have a Jake Sturmer, who we don't have to worry about projecting anymore, because he's here.
It's good to be back.
Good morning. It is definitely early. It's not that early, like it's 8:30, but it's early for me. I am struggling this morning. It's cold. The sun is barely up, and I want to be back in bed. I'll tell you what, Chick-fil-A is doing it right. I'm at Chick-fil-A right now and just ordered with an actual human being. I didn't have to talk through this the drive-through speaker where they don't understand what you're saying, and you're like, I want a chicken sandwich, and they're like, you want tuna? You're like, no, chicken. So this is great, Chick-fil-A, keep it up. I'm sure that Chick-fil-A is watching this. I've got all of the maps folded and put into the box. Stopped by St. Monica's to say hi to Jake and Ashley after work. I got my car worked on today. It took like 2 hours. 2 hours to get oil change and tires balanced and rotated. I feel like they have like a hierarchy of, or like a priority list of things that need to get done. And my car is always on the bottom of the priority list. So I'm always stuck there sitting for like 2 hours, wasting time. So I feel even lazier today just because I spent 2 hours getting my car worked on. I don't want to do anything. Like, it just got me into a lazy funk. So like, I went to work and I have an Ablaze meeting tonight, but I just want to go home and sleep. So that's what I'm gonna do. I don't know who keeps leaving weird stuff in the AV booth, but we keep finding very odd things here at St. Monica's in our AV booth. And look at this addition. We have a San Damiano cross to the back of the wall, so we don't have to worry about projecting it anymore. And we have a Jake Sturmer, who we don't have to worry about projecting anymore, because he's here.
It's good to be back.
And he's
good to be home,
not
y'all. I
with
miss
his
you.
baby.
I miss my baby though, so I'm getting ready to leave and go home and see my baby.
Sounds like a good father. You're a good father. It's who you are.
It's who you are.
And I'm loved by you.
It's who you are.
I have my new toy out, everybody. Look at this. It is a pour-over coffee maker. So you get all the grounds in here, which is like a removable little thing here. It is a like filter that I don't have to put any other filters into, so I can just clean this out and keep reusing it, which is perfect. And it all goes into here like a science experiment. And let's try it out. This is my first time, so I'm a little nervous. Ooh. Water. Water. Alright. Got all the water in. And coffee. Look at that. And a lot of water on the counter, because that's not how you're supposed to pour water out of a mug. Whoops. Alright, I've got it all dripped out. And now I think I put this little thingamabobber in here to be able to pour it. Haha, look at that. And now I can pour it out into my mug, which is a Kevin Connor Vlogs mug. A nice little shameless plug. Let's see how this works. Alright. Beautiful! Now the important part. Let's see how the coffee tastes. Pretty delicious! An evening of delicious coffee, sitting back, but I have to go to the dentist in the morning. So choose virtue, choose life. So long for now. So, getting into the box.